Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
We normally have kebabs which are made out of chicken or mutton, but today I'm going to share a lovely vegetarian kebab recipe with you which we all vegetarians love, that is the Hara Bhara Kabab. I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil, and to that I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and as the cumin seeds splutter I'm going to add a few green chilies. I've taken about 5 spicy green chilies, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute this for a few seconds, and now I'm going to add 1 finely chopped green capsicum. You know, the capsicum gives an amazing flavor to this kebab. Now after sauteing this for a minute, I'm going to add 1 cup of boiled green peas. I'm going to saute this for another minute. I've taken a big bunch of spinach leaves here, which I have finely chopped and boiled, and I have drained the water from it. I'm going to add this to the green peas. I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh mint, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric is going to give this kebab a lovely bright color. The reason why we are sauteing this is so that the moisture, the excess moisture from the vegetable is reduced, so that when we add our binding agents, the mixture doesn't become too sticky. As you can see, the moisture has reduced quite a bit. Let's now shut the flame and cool this, and we'll grind it to a nice fine paste. The mixture has cooled down. I'm now going to grind this without using any water. This is blended very well. I'm going to remove this in a bowl, and I'm going to add all the binding agents. So now to this, I'm going to add 1 boiled potato. So this potato I have grated, boiled it and then grated it, because sometimes if it's not mashed well, it can just come into the mouth and change the flavor of the kebab. I'm going to add a tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'm going to add salt and mix this really well. What I'm going to do is make small round balls of this, flatten it, coat it with breadcrumbs, keep it aside. I'm going to do the same with the rest of the mixture. I've already heated a kadai full of oil. I'm just going to deep fry these Hara Bhara kebabs. These Hara Bhara kebabs can be served with a chutney of your choice or with a simple ketchup. So try this party snack quickly and let me know. For such quick recipes, keep watching Get Curried.